and welcome to another exciting episode from Thank Studio. Hope you must be liking our videos. Your comments are important to let us know how you find our videos. Now, today's topic is about append queries. In previous videos, we learned about merge queries. Today, we are going to discuss about append queries. So, let's start. Make it a table, press Ctrl T. This becomes a table. Press Ctrl T. This becomes another table. I have two tables here. This is the sale from two different cities of a cosmetic shop. One is in Dubai, other is in NY. If you see, there are different column names. It's same like the merge queries as we were merging it and the product ID is there, but we do not need to merge it. What we need to do, we need to append the columns because there is a different set of query, different set of area where we want to. We do not want to put Dubai in front of NY. What we want to do, we want to put the NY sales below the Dubai sales. So let's see how we can achieve it. Let's do it. Oh, did I mention the shortcut to go to the Power Query editor? It's Alt F12. Alt F12. Go directly to the Power Query editor. Today, we will check another way of importing the data. Go to New Source, Excel Workbook, Append Queries. You will have two tables here. It's asking which one to import, Dubai or NY. I'm saying it's Dubai. Now I also want to import NY. Append Queries, NY. This is another way of importing it. So we have two tables here. In the merge queries, we studied how to put different columns when the product ID is same in front of the data. But today we want to do it separately. We don't want to put it in front of it. What we want to do, we want to append the data beneath one of the cities. To start with, we want to put NY data below Dubai data here. So let's start. Here is the append query. We will go the same way. Append queries as new. If you see, you are having a 3 or more tables option here. Whereas for merge queries, we did not have something like this. So we want to merge two tables, append two tables. My apologies. The other is NY. See what happens? So where the product ID table, it matched the product ID table and put the data below that table, like it's appended. Same goes for the product name because the column names were same, salesperson names were same. It put the table in the proper row, but NY did not have shop name column available. So it becomes null. The quantity was already there. And the sales price. If you see that Dubai did not have the sale price, so it becomes null. This is how you can organize your data together if you want to have different columns. If you do not want to add them in front of them, in front of the column names, you want to append the columns. This is how you append the data. Now we go close and load. This is our data. It's aligned now. You can have sales table available with you. You have the quantity table. If you want to draw a chart from it, it will be very simple. Let's study the chart in the next video. Thank you very much. Keep on liking, share and subscribing. Thank you. Take care. Bye bye.